I always had like a really nice smile. That was like one of my favorite things about me. And then maybe like 10-ish years ago, it started to decline. I started having a lot of dental issues and I just dealt with it. It wasn't until I had professional photos from my daughter's christening when she was a baby done. And all those photos, I couldn't smile. Like, I couldn't smile in them and it was upsetting. But I still dealt with it because there was nothing that I could really do. And then I lost my husband in 2018 and I lost more teeth that same year, and it was just a decline, a decline, a decline.
Kerissa, young girl, 35 years old, came to me with a situation where most of her teeth were missing. She had a hard life, and in the past, she just couldn't afford to have her teeth fixed. And so they ended up bringing her to clinics, her father, mother in the past, and basically what they did is they pulled out one tooth at a time. And unfortunately, it was taking a toll on her. And she wanted to get her life back together again and get her confidence back together and get her smile back.
I would get made fun of really bad, like especially because I stream a lot on YouTube, couldn't smile, and if I did smile or certain angles that I would speak at, I would get memed and called like a horse. And it just became like a walking meme that, my teeth looked the way that they did. I went to get the partial denture. It was ill-fitting, it was painful. The dentist gave me my money back and told me to find another dentist. And I felt like really defeated. I cried. I didn't know what to do.
We instantaneously connected and I just felt for her and I knew that I could help her, and we did. And we ended up taking out her like 4 or 5 remaining bad teeth that she had in her uppers, replacing them all with implants.
Felt like a lot of dentists that I was going to was like taking advantage money-wise. I didn't feel that here. I don't have any complaints. Like, there's no part of this experience that I could say that from getting my original scans to my surgery day to now, like the overall office, everything, the fact that they do everything in-house I like. If I had an issue with anything, if I wanted to change something on my final, I could very easily. So the overall experience was great. Everyone's like, oh my God, it looks so good. They're like, you looked good before, like with the temps, but it's so much better now. So because people like to rag on my teeth so much, I'm like, what are you gonna say now? Like, what could you really say? And they seen it from the beginning. They seen me hysterically cry, go from hysterically crying about my teeth and just, I hated it. Like, I hated it. And then to go from that, now it's like, anytime someone annoys me, I'm just like, like it just to be like, whatever. You can't really, nothing you say is really affect me. All the things that you threw at me about my smile, it's no longer valid.